Hello boys and girls. I am going to attempt to install this little doohickey. It's a motorcycle fuse box, 12 volts, and I'm going to change my quad lock and attach it to this. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've obviously taken off the seat and I'm truly just going to wing this. I'm also going to have to take off the tank because I was utilizing this USB here for my quad lock, but I have one that now goes automatically. I can route it to this new piece of equipment that I bought on Amazon. There is a link in the description below, along with all the other links. So we're gonna get to it, and you just kind of, as usual, this is a one-man show. So I'm gonna start taking things apart and seeing where we go. So I am going to be replacing it with this bad boy, if you can see it, that has the ability, obviously, to wire in. So here we go. Okay guys, I'm back. I am going to just unscrew. Not sure if you can see it. Can you see it? Let's see if you can see it. All right, there we go. Just trying to get a better picture here. Let me raise this. I apologize. I'm truly horrible at this. But I truly am trying. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take the tank off. I'm going to undo the battery right now and get that out of the way, because obviously I'm supposed to put this our new little 12 volt thing on. Jesus. All right, that was pretty tough. I'm clearly not the strongest. We all know that. If you know me, you know that. But what I'm going to do, and once again, I'm sure everybody's telling me I'm doing this crap wrong, which I probably am, but you know, I'm not an expert. I'm literally the DIY no clue guy. Maybe that should be my new little saying, DIY no clue guy. It's pretty good, right? All right. I was actually going to try to put it behind here. There we go. Look at me with my skills. And I think I could put this other one there as well. I know what it's supposed to be for. It's supposed to be anytime the electricity touches, I'm sorry, when the battery's turned on, it's activated, I guess. I think that's how that works, or it won't work until you turn on the battery, or yeah, the ignition, should I say. But once again, I don't know what I'm doing. Golly. I know it's basic stuff, guys. Trust me. I'm well aware. I'm well aware how stupid I look. But I am who I am. So is there a nut on the back? There is a nut on the back. Okay. Once again, I'm just going to try to put this on here. I'm sure it won't even stay because I beat the crap out of this bike in the sand and dirt. But we'll see. Alright, so that's that. I just heard some noise. I guess that's good. I don't know. I heard some clicking. Y'all can tell me if clicking's bad. Clicking may be bad. Not sure, my friends. Okay. Sorry. I feel like I'm breathing hard there. I don't mean to be. Alright, so I'm going to put this here. Put that back. Put that back. And where did it go? Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's all lit up. Yay! But that also means boo. Why do I say boo? Because it shouldn't be on until I'm actually utilizing it, right? Isn't that the rule? You actually don't want it on until you're actually using the product, so it'll drain your battery, I guess? Is that true? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But I think that's, honestly, that makes sense. That definitely makes sense. Okay, so I'm thinking, sure this probably gets hot. I just don't know where else to put it. Something like that. Yes? No? Okay. Please tell me what I'm doing wrong so I don't blow this thing up. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this screw, and that screw to loosen up the tank. It's very windy, so I apologize. It's like going crazy. Here, but we'll see. All right. Am I doing this right? I think I'm doing this right. Is there another screw below it? There is. There's a nut below it. How the heck do you get that nut off? Huh. I wonder if I can just... Okay. Hold on. I want to tighten it back up again. Haha. Let me go get something. I'll be right back. Looking through all my tools. Not a clue what I need. Big shocker there. Okay. Clearly too big. Clearly too big. Too big. And let me guess, too big. All right. Those are all too big. So we will get smaller. All right. Just trying to figure this out. All right, that's the right size. Switch this up. All right, so I'm taking off this screw. I can. All right, I always put screws down like my dad taught me. Whew. Where else does it go? Let's see. There might be some other screws. I'm looking. All right, let me pause this and go get a flashlight. I am back with a headlamp. So now I just need to look at some areas and figure out what. Look at that. So I was told it's very easy to take off. Once again, ultimately I'm sure it is. But I don't know what the heck I think you just pull this up. All right, guys. There's gotta be an easy way. First of all, I didn't do this. I have this stupid mounting bracket I gotta take off for my TGI. It's definitely in the way. All right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So that'd be a left loose. Look at me with my skills. That's amazing. Okay. Now maybe I could pull it up. Is there another screw somewhere? Where's the other screw? Let me keep looking. It should just come right up, right? What am I missing? All right, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I'm attempting to this whole bracket off, I guess. That's what I'm trying to do. I just want to lose stuff. I don't know. Scared to death of losing something. You know? Does that even? I mean, I guess that's right. Not sure if y'all are seeing what I'm seeing. But I don't know how you get these brackets off, I'll be honest with you. I know you unscrew them, obviously, right? That's obvious. But I think there's a bolt under, there's something underneath, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe a screw or something. I'm just gonna try my best. It's getting a little chilly out here. And I guess that's it. I don't know how you get, I think there's a bolt on the bottom. Oh. Okay. 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 Sweet. I can move this bracket out of the way. Does this, okay, let me see something. Oh, they're permanent, okay. I'm pulling this back. Are y'all seeing that? I'm pulling this back. Yeah, I think there's some hoses I gotta unclip. Right? I think that's what they said. We're about to find out. Not sure if y'all can see all that. If not, just know that I'm trying my best. Okay. There's one little button. I think you just pull it straight down. Is that right? Okay, I'll pull that down, I'll pull that down. And then there's a little hook button there. Where does that go to? Gosh, I'm the worst. Literally, I'm the worst. And I apologize for being so incompetent. Why am I making a video when I don't know what I'm doing? Or should that stay on? I don't know. That should stay on. That has nothing to do with it. That should stay on. Yeah, don't start pulling crap I don't even know about. Okay. Or should I unplug them from the bottom? Oh, good Lord. It sucks to be old and fat all at the same time. Okay. So, I think I'm just gonna pull them. Or is there a barb on there? I don't know, hold on. Back in the action. I just took off the two hoses. It looks like the only thing left is this. I say that, but what is this one? What does this do? Jesus. Looks like that goes to the fuel pump, I'm guessing. Looks like a pump. Need a bigger screwdriver. Ugh. I'll be back. Wow. I'm really trying here, guys. I swear I'm not that dumb. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Looks like they're saying you have to squeeze them both and pull. How would you squeeze both and pull? Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! I guess I did it and didn't even realize it. So is that it? Where does that go? All right, I pulled that off. Guys, it's quite possible I'm Superman. Is there anything else holding this? I don't know. Wow, look at this, boys and girls, the whole tank. Oh, goodness. Look at me. There's one more little thing. It's a little tab. I'm gonna screw up anything. I'm gonna set this up here. I do not want to screw this up. Okay, stay. All right. Looks like there's just a little tab to pull down on. Is that right? I'm trying. Jesus, I'm trying. Release it. Aha! It worked. I released it. Okay. Now I can officially pull this off. I'm going to put this over on my golf cart. Stay. 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 Okay. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. So let's get a good look at it. So I had to release this pin, these two screws, excuse me, these two hoses, and this. And this is what you get. Good time to clean it up too, actually. Obviously, I installed this. Clearly don't know what I'm doing. It's a given. Wish I did, but I truly do not. Actually, I read from somebody that you can actually put your hose. I'm going to try this. Let's see if this works. Saw it online. Once again, what do I know? As usual, not much. All right, so read online that you could take this off. Oh my gosh, did I screw it up? What a retard I am. I literally screwed it up. How is that possible? How is that absolutely possible? Oh my gosh. Do I have a spare? You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I can say. It's wow, wow, wow. I don't know if this is any good anymore. I don't think fuses are that expensive. Are they? No, they can't be. They cannot be that expensive. All right, I'm going to the store. I'll be back. I gotta get a 7.5 fuse. Gosh, that is crazy stupid. So, I was told you can kind of put it, rest it on there. I don't know. Let me go get the 7.5 fuse and I'll be back. Just bought these at Ace Hardware because I screwed up and pulled out the 7.5 amp fuse, and one of the little thingies broke off on it. So $3 later, I'm back in action. All right. Okay. Now I'm just going to tie this off because I don't know what to do. I'll Google it later on. Maybe somebody could tell me what a idiot I am. But for now, I'm just going to tie it off. Or when I say tie it off, just use one of these ends and just, you know, fix it. So I'm just going to do that for right now. that. All right, that's not great. So I'll probably just go ahead and get some duct tape. And I'm going to mark it with blue duct tape. And I just dropped, man, I am struggling. I'm just going to cover it up. I'm going to turn it. Don't ask me what I'm doing. I'm going to do this a few times. Once again, I want to be able to easily access it. Be able to get to it later if I realize, hey, you really needed that. Okay, so that's done. So the next step I have to do is come over here. And uncramp this. And go ahead and just want to snip it. Snip it, she said. Once again, there's so much easier ways of doing stuff. I'm just doing it my way. All right, that is done. Yay, team. And I will. How did I have this? Oh, I actually had it clamped. Oh, look at me with my big brain. All right, I had it tied in another area as well. So I'm going to undo that. Not sure if you're seeing this. Not sure if you care. Okay. But you might if you're watching this. You might want to say, how does this dude do all the things he does? Well, the answer is trial and error. Story of my life. And I'm obviously going to unscrew this. If I could just pull this straight out. I bet I can to make my life easier. Ha ha! Look at that. Look at that. The man is amazing. Holy cow. All right. Just trying to get all this done. So if y'all wondering, this is how real people do installations, and it's not all those fancy things you see online. This is how the real folk do it. So, pull this to open. All right, now I'm going to be working on this bad boy. What am I doing here? It is windy. Windiest day it's been in a long time. I only rode for a little bit today. Glad I didn't get out for a long time. Yesterday was fun. That new riding video will come out tomorrow. And next weekend I'm gonna go off somewhere, maybe the beach, somewhere different, just to give y'all a different perspective. 'Cause I'm sure you're over similar rides at this point. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's hardwired in here. Look at that. Okay. So it's completely hardwired, so I'm going to have to absolutely unscrew the old one. Feed it through. That's why I have the gas tank off. Put it down to this other part. And we're off to the races. Look at that. Came with some zip ties. And this thing's awesome. The people are great. I gotta say, Quad Locks, they are really good at what they do. All right. Maybe you can see it from there. If you even care. All right. So I'm just gonna loosen this. Take this bad boy off all the way. And use this at a later date. I can maybe mount this to my golf cart. Uh-huh. The man is brilliant. The man is brilliant. Look at that. It has some of that blue stuff, I forget what you call it, but the blue stuff that tightens everything. Okay. This time we're gonna go under here. We're gonna run everything down. So what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna run everything like they did. I'm gonna come straight here. I'm gonna zip tie that. A zip tie. Do I have enough? Haha, I do. Okay, so I'm gonna zip tie everything. You heard it right. Like a gangster. All right. I'm going to, that doesn't affect anything, right? Yeah, sure. Sure it doesn't. Sure it doesn't, Aaron. Sure it doesn't. Okay, let's see if you're seeing this. Once again, kind of doing this for my own pleasure. There we go. I'll tie that like that. I'm gonna do the old zippy tie. Cut everything off later. Make it pretty. All right. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm continue to feed. I like that coming through there. Continue to run it, just like they have. See what I'm doing here? The skill factor is amazing, I know. I know, you're probably thinking, golly, this guy is amazing, all right? Just a Texas wonder boy. Yeah, I get it, I'd be saying the same thing. I get it. One of the coolest in the state, yeah, I know. So how do I want to just kind of come straight through, straight under? Can I come straight under? I don't know, maybe, yes. Look at that, look at that. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. And then I don't know what I'm doing here. Positive, negative, okay. I'm gonna go to the very first one. I need a little screwdriver. What do you know? I have one. Something just fell over. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm just loosening these up. Loosen, loosen, loosen. I'm gonna go positive, negative. Just push this in, or right? I probably have to do it way looser. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Golly. I'll be right back again. Alright, I'm back. 12th time is a charm, they say, right? I think all I do is put this in here. Put them both in. Right? Make sure they're good. And then I just basically just clamp it down. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Pull it. All right, good there. I'm going to go get my keys. I'm going to try clean this up a little bit better. All right, I zip tied that, zip tied that. I'm just gonna put like that there. And I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. I guess I'm just gonna try to mount it like that. I don't know. What do I know? Okay, now I'm looking for my keys. The motorcycle keys. All right, here's a set. Extra set. Let's see if that... Does that light up? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, that's not even... So that's not even lit up, right? Is it supposed to light up? Let me see. Let me see. Let me get my phone and see if it'll work. Where's my phone? There it is. All right. I'm gonna plug it in. It's absolutely not working. Very not cool. Huh. So what did I do? What did I do wrong? Positive, positive, negative, negative, right? Does this have to be on something? Maybe it does. Maybe this has to be attached to something. I don't know. Do y'all know? Who knows? Sounds like it does. So, I'm gonna try this. Let's try this for the 12th time. All right, I'm gonna pull this out. Let's see if I can put this in. I read about it. I really did read about it. something. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm trying, guys. I'm sure nobody shows you this portion of how they're making the sausage. You know? They show you the end product. But I have a feeling if I shove that in there, that might work for a little bit, or I might explode the whole thing. I don't have that answer. I truly don't know. All right. Seems to be working. It does seem to be working. Okay. So it's lit up. Yay. Yay. All right. Also, I'm switching here real quick. What the hell? God, I'm the worst. All right. I do not like that. It just doesn't look good. There we go. I just made the quad lock a little nicer. God, bless it. All right, now let me try this. Perfect. It is working. The question that I have is, it's going to be on all the time. I don't know if I like that. I got to figure out a way that it's not on all the time, right? We don't want it on all the time, do we? No, heck no we don't. All right, I'm gonna leave it here, and I'll just put back the everything. So I hope everyone has a great day. That's what I did. I will put the tank back on. It looks like it's constant, so I don't know if that's a good thing or not. If I'm guessing, I would say that's not a good thing. I'm gonna wipe it all down, clean it up, and figure out if there's another way to do this. But until then, thank you all. I appreciate it, and have a great day.